Hey guys, I got a question about how do I calculate my macros? How do I calculate my calories for fat loss? And let me just give you the easy version, the quickest way to do it. It's gonna be some numbers in this video, so go ahead, pause it if you need to. Basically, get out your calculator, get out your phone, and I'm just gonna show you how to do it real quick. Now, first of all, what you wanna do is take your current body weight, whatever that body weight is, you're gonna multiply it, let's say by 12. This is gonna get you a good starting point that you can use for your weight loss journey. Okay, so multiply it by 12. Whatever calories those are, that's gonna be the calories that you need to get each day. Number two, you gotta figure out what your protein is. So I like to try to get 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Okay, so which means if you weigh 150 pounds, you're gonna get 150 grams of protein. Okay, now protein has 4 calories in each gram. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna multiply that 150 by 4. Whatever you get there, you're gonna subtract that from that total number that you got when you multiplied your body weight by 12. Okay, so there's a lot of numbers here. I'll try to slow it down a little bit, try to write this down. So you're gonna subtract that from your total amount of calories. That's how much protein you're gonna get. Now with fats, what you're gonna do is you're going to multiply your body weight by 0.4. This is gonna be 40% of your goal. So multiply that by 0.4. Whatever number you get there, you're gonna multiply that by 9, okay? Because there's 9 calories in a gram of fat, okay? So whatever you get, that total number, you're gonna subtract that also from your original caloric goal for the day, okay? So if your goal is to only get 1,900 calories a day, you're gonna subtract your total protein from that, your total protein calories, and then you're gonna subtract your total fat calories, all right? Anything left over, you can just add that to carbs if you want, that's fine. Just make sure you're selecting the correct carbs. That doesn't mean I can go eat a bunch of burgers and pizzas and stuff like that. Make sure if you're gonna eat carbs, get it from healthy sources as possible, sweet potatoes, from rice, from oatmeal. Just pick the healthiest option possible. On protein, I have so many videos on how I get more protein. Try to at least get your body weight in protein. If you need help, go see some of my videos. How do I get 200 grams of protein by lunch? I eat a lot of chicken, I eat a lot of beef, I keep it lean as possible. I try to go with the 96 lean beef most of the time. I do eat chicken thighs. You can have fish if you want. Fish is great. Tuna fish is a great option, especially if you're on the go. It's so easy to make. You just, whip it up. You can take it with you. It's so easy if you can do fish. Salmon is great. You can do just all kinds. You can do ground turkey. I haven't found the perfect way to season the ground turkey, which is why I don't use it that much. Whenever I've tried it in the past, which is a while back, I probably need to try it again because it is super lean. Ground turkey is great as long as you season it. If you don't season it right, it tastes just like dry meat. It's terrible. So you have to season it right, which is why in a lot of my videos I don't show. But you know what? I might do that. I might say, you know what? I'm gonna get better at making ground turkey. You can also do protein shakes. Get you a whey protein isolate. You can have that after your workouts. You can have that as a snack. You can use casein protein. So casein protein is good at nighttime. If you want to do something like that. There are so many different options on protein. I get questions all the time, how do I get more protein? Which is why I put so many how to get protein videos out there, because I'm just showing you what I eat and how I get my protein. Now, how do you know if you got enough protein? You have to track it. You're not gonna know if you don't track it. You can't just wonder, well, I think I hit 150 grams, I don't know. It seems like it. I think I ate healthy. I don't know. And you're not going to hit your goals. I stress this so much. You have to track your food. Download an app called MyFitnessPal. It is free. It is free and the database is huge. There's so many foods. There was a recipe I made yesterday, which I will post. I was like, this food is probably not going to be in there. I typed it in. It was there. It's great. It's free. You can buy the pro version if you want. There's more tools and all that. Not needed. You can get the free one. I've been using it for years. Ask anybody who tracks their food. They probably use MyFitnessPal. It's one of the biggest ones out there. There's other ones as well. Whichever one you want to get, find something and track your food. I cannot stress that enough. How many people have told me, oh, I've been eating healthy and I'm just not losing weight. Man, I just can't hit my goals. And I'm like, okay, well, do you track your food? No, I don't, but I had a salad and I had this and that. And then we go through maybe 1 to 2 days of their healthy eating and realize how healthy they were actually eating and how off they were on all their goals. And this is where the real transformation comes in, is your nutrition. I get so many questions. I get DMs all the time. What do you do for your abs? How do you get your abs? I'm like, look, that's working out. If you want to see your abs, you need to reveal them. You have to change your diet. You have to change your lifestyle. I say that all the time. So let's work on tracking your food. If you want to see results, track your food. You will be surprised. Everybody I tell to do that, they DM me or text me, man, I can't believe how I thought I was eating healthy and I really wasn't. I'm telling you, just do it. Download it. You have a phone. Everybody has a phone on them, and just track your food, okay? If you can, I always recommend some things in the kitchen. Get you a scale, weigh out your food, make sure you're looking at nutrition labels, add all that stuff in there, all the hidden calories, watch your snacks. That's why I try to put out videos about healthy snacks that I eat, high protein snacks, so you help hit your protein goals. That's what I do every day. I hit my protein goal first, and then everything else I kind of fill in. I watch my fats, I don't let them get too high. And then carbs, they'll kind of come and go. I'll see how I feel. So I'm not against carbs. Carbs are great. They're great for energy, as long as you eat the right ones. So there's nothing wrong with that. But focus on those things. Of course, with cardio, I recommend getting steps. I don't run, I don't do anything else. I just get a step count each day. My personal step count daily is at least to get 15,000 steps. A lot of times I get around 15 to 20,000 because I'm always on my feet. You have to focus on getting sleep. Sleep lowers your stress levels. Sleep helps you recover. You should be working out. We could talk about that in another video, but yes, you should be working out, and that helps you recover. That helps your muscles build. That helps your cortisol levels. It helps with anxiety. It helps with cravings, with food cravings. The more you sleep, try to get you around 7 hours if you can. The more you sleep, the better your body will feel. I used to have to wake up at 4 so I can get to the gym early before the kids woke up. Now they're getting a little bit older. I can actually adjust that to where I don't have to go in so early. And I tell you, my body feels so much better now that I don't have to be in there so early to get it done, because I'm gonna get the job done no matter what. There's no excuses, okay? So if you can, try to focus on try to get 7 hours. I know some people recommend 7 to 8 and all, everybody's lifestyle is different. Everybody has different kind of jobs, but if you can, try to focus on that. Same thing with the steps. Track your steps, all right? Everybody has a watch. Everybody has, a phone. There's Oura rings that you can wear. There's ways to track your steps. You have to know how far you're walking. Try to get 15,000 steps if you really want to make a change. You will see it if you stay consistent. That's the other thing. Stay consistent. It's not going to happen quick. You might see a little weight change within a week or something like that. You're going to be on the scale. You're going to be looking at the scale, and that scale can get very discouraging. So don't follow the scale to a T. You need to go by how you feel and how you look, okay? So follow these steps. Hopefully this will help you get started. Let me know in the comments if I can add any more information, if I can help out any other way. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Let's get better. We can do this. You can do this. Let's go.